Hey guys, so I'm coming to you today from Cinco de Diciembre, and as you can see behind me already, I am in a really special unit today because this is more Mexican charm. Lately I've been shooting tons of different things that are more modern, more updated. What you're looking at now is about a 20-year-old property. The asking price is $499,000 US, a little over 2,100 square feet. You have three bedrooms here with 2 bathrooms, and just all of the charm that I'm going to point out as I walk along. They do not make this anymore. You are only 7 blocks to the beach here in Cinco de Diciembre. You have beautiful ocean views that I'm looking at right now. It's a complete open concept. You're going to notice all that when I'm walking around, so come and take a look at this. As always, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe down below. I try to do about 2 to 3 video walkthroughs of properties that are available every single week, so come and check this out, guys. It is a 2-floor walk-up. You're on the 2nd floor. And welcome to Casa Linda. Before you even get inside, you've got some stained art here, a tropical hardwood door, and you're walking into Welcome to Mexico. Look at this, complete open floor plan. The ceilings here is kind of hard to tell in the video, but they're over 15-foot high ceilings. You've got a nice bookcase here, could be where you store your alcohol, but look at the detail, the stained glass. Before I even walk into the back, you've got a nice archway here with the artisan brick detail. When we get into the space down below, you're gonna see when we go upstairs, they've got the wooden beams with the tile. I can probably go on and on and on for days with just all the detail here, but let's talk about first this living room. This is a huge size living room. There are condos in Vallarta selling right now for $499,000 that are just the price or the size of this living room alone. So you're gonna notice right now that you've got the super high vaulted ceilings. In the back here, this is Cantera. It's a natural stone that you'll see a lot in upgraded places here in Vallarta. Overlooking the living room, you have a jacuzzi. It's a heated jacuzzi pool. Off to the right-hand side, you've got a kitchen, nice spacious kitchen. Got a good island here looking out, and I wish it was a little bit bluer today because right now everything just looks kind of gray. You know, we're in our rainy season here, so the sky on a normal day would be totally blue and beautiful, but you've got complete ocean views here. You can see all the way down. You've got Vidanta over here, Punta Mita. You've got just a great ocean view. And one thing that I want to mention, you do have a building here. This is Concept 180, which actually there's a penthouse available in here that's absolutely gorgeous. But the house right next to it, because of the size of that lot, the most that this house could ever go up would be, it's already at 2 floors, they could add a rooftop. Because of the coefficients of that lot size, your view here is completely protected. So the most they could ever go up, see about that line right there, is here. Imagine where my hand is. That's always going to be your view if somebody ever came and purchased this house and wanted to do something different. So let's look at the house from another angle. Now I'm standing on which is a covered rooftop patio. They've got these sunscreens here. I'm going to show you in a minute. Those will go down, and you've got another one back here automatically with the remote. But this is just another view. It's complete open floor plan here. You have a nice living room, a nice dining room, a nice kitchen. All of this is open air, which means there are no walls. So the beautiful thing about this kind of living is that it is the old style Mexican. You don't have any air conditioners out here. It is the complete indoor, outdoor living, which if you're an investor and you're looking to use this as an investment property, this is gonna be something that is completely different in Mexico. You don't see a lot of these here. Nowadays, everybody's renting and buying these new investment properties, which is just like, it could be anywhere. You could be in Miami, you could be in Texas. This is when you're wanting to give your guests the ultimate Mexican experience. This is where they're gonna wanna come time and time again because of just the uniqueness, the character that you have here. They're not building them like this anymore, and you don't really see a lot of this style anymore. So the jacuzzi that you have here, it's a humongous size infinity edge jacuzzi. It is heated. You have a nice fountain off to the side, overlooking the living room. And in the bedroom, in order to have some natural light, you've got these doors that can close with the stained glass arch up above. So the bedrooms are all with air conditioner. So you've got tropical hardwood here. Coming up now, kind of you can call it the 2nd level of the house. Nice art niches, and look at the ceiling. You've got beautiful tile ceiling with the wooden beams. Still, this place is humongously tall ceilings. You completely forget that you're actually in a condo building here. There are 3 units in total in here. We're on the 2nd floor, but once you enter, you're not even gonna feel like you're in a condo because of the size of the ceilings here are just so tall, and all the spaces are so huge. Because this was built about 20 years ago, that's when the construction was a lot more grand than it is right now. We've got lots of storage space here, and up above, I wanted to mention this art mural. I'm gonna kind of try to zoom in. So this C. Vidal, he is a famous artist here, has since passed away. He's done another piece of art here in the hallway that I'm going to get to too. So you've got just a lot of charm in this place, a lot of unique finishes that, like I said before, you're not gonna see anywhere else. You have the 2 niches on either side of the bed. Walking into the bathroom here. It's just a typical older style Mexican bathroom. Definitely, I would do some updating in here. I would get rid of these glass block shower. I would put a different piece of furniture here for your sink. I think so far, I mean, I like everything else, but the bathroom is one thing I think that in your primary could use a little bit of updating. Everything else outside, I love all of this kind of stuff. I mean, this is what you're buying this for. Again, you have a cute little arch doorway here with the stained glass. And this is the piece of art that I was telling you about, this Frida Kahlo here in between, that's made from that same artist that has since passed on. So we've showed you the primary. Then off the primary, you have a 2nd guest suite and a 3rd guest suite. Both of those suites are gonna share this common bath right here because this is a 3-bedroom with 2 baths. Again, you have the really high ceilings in here, a large shower that you see, pretty big space in here. Bathrooms are really the only thing I would renovate here, and I do like the furniture that they have here underneath the sink, the countertop, the mirror. I kind of like all of this. In this room, I think I would just come in and put in a new shower, more of an updated shower. So this has got the Jack and Jill. You actually can come from the hallway or from the bedroom. So let's just call this the 2nd guest suite that I'm gonna show you guys. Again, you have the great size high ceilings, 2 columns on either side with the artisan brick detail up above. Even look at the casings that are around the window here. Those are all built-in casings with the nice windows. This is just the kind of detail that you don't see anymore. And this is the kind of stuff that makes me so excited to shoot. All of the floors in here, the older style Saltillo tile floors. I love the roughness of this. I think this just adds to the charm of the space. Then you have the tropical hardwood for the storage. And because these ceilings are so high, everywhere that you see storage, you've got floor to ceiling storage. So you've got lots of places to put your stuff. Before we pop into the 2nd bedroom or the 3rd bedroom, I want to show you this little courtyard that you have outside. This is right off of the bedroom, and then the other bedroom also has a little courtyard as well. So you've got the nice detail here with the Talavera tile, a little garden area, and then for the outdoor kitchen, you have a sink. This is a gas grill right here, and then they even have a charcoal grill. Now that you've seen the 2nd bedroom, let's pop into the 3rd bedroom. Stained glass. Isn't that so cute? I love all these details. Okay, so into the 3rd bedroom here, you've got the whole wall with your closet. The bedroom. And this one has the wood detail. I don't know if you can really see, it's kind of hard to see, but I mean, this is all hand carved wood details that are just on the window here. So much charm. So this is the place, guys. Let's walk through one more time. I'm just gonna give you a quick little reminder of what the front of this looks like, because honestly, as you come through the front door, just the magnitude of the high ceilings and all of the character just really hit you. I am so excited to show you guys this. It's been on the market for 180 days. As of the day that I'm shooting this, the asking price is $499,000. and you're getting huge space, lots of charm, and great views. All right, guys, so let's do a quick little recap here. The asking price is $499,000 US dollars, a little over 2,100 square feet. You have 3 bedrooms here with 2 bathrooms, 7 blocks to the beach, incredible ocean views, charm like you've never seen, charm on top of charm on top of charm. If you guys are interested to know more about this property, look down below. You're gonna see some of the descriptions of this, more of the details of the property, how to get in touch with me. If you wanna do an in-person showing, a virtual showing, all of the information you're gonna find down below. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I try to do 2 to 3 video walkthroughs a week of properties that are available on the market, my properties of the day, and then I just try to let you guys know what's happening here and around Vallarta. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.